Meal prep saved my health and my wallet. I used to eat whatever was quick: takeout, vending machine snacks, and sugary drinks. I told myself I was too busy to cook, but the truth is, I was too unorganized. Then one small decision changed everything. I started meal prepping.
In just 1 week, I noticed the difference. More energy, better focus, and I wasn't wasting money on food that made me feel worse. Let me show you how meal prepping saved both my health and my wallet. Before meal prep, I was spending over $70 a week on takeout. My fridge was full, but never with anything I could actually eat. That's when I realized planning ahead was the real secret to eating better.
So I made a list, picked 3 easy meals, and spent one Sunday afternoon cooking. Just like that, I had breakfast, lunch, and dinner ready for the week. It wasn't fancy, just real whole food. A few hours of cooking on Sunday gave me a full week of healthy meals. I stopped skipping breakfast, started saving $50 a week, and felt lighter, physically and mentally. Meal prepping taught me that self-care doesn't always look like bubble baths or vacations. Sometimes it's simply feeding your body what it needs. If you're just starting out, keep it simple. Pick one meal, like lunch, and prep for 3 days. Cook foods you enjoy, make it colorful, and use containers that keep things fresh. The easier it feels, the more consistent you'll be. Meal prep didn't just change how I eat, it changed how I live. More energy, more savings, more peace of mind. Try it this week. Your future self will thank you.
Get your own Verone 10-pack, 22-ounce glass meal prep containers. They're airtight, reusable, and perfect for keeping your meals fresh. Check out the link in the description below.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Start your health journey today.